Do you feel like you're always struggling to make ends meet? It's time to take a closer look at your personal finance habits. In this video, we'll discuss the top 5 personal finance mistakes to avoid, along with tips and strategies for achieving financial success. First, it's important to educate yourself about personal finance and avoid common mistakes that can set you back financially. The top 5 personal finance mistakes to avoid include overspending, not saving enough, not having an emergency fund, ignoring debt, and not investing for the future. To achieve financial success, it's important to set financial goals, create a budget, and prioritize saving and investing. Other tips and strategies for financial success include tracking your expenses, negotiating bills and fees, and increasing your income through side hustles or education. Remember, creating a plan and sticking to it is key to achieving financial success. Make sure to regularly review your financial goals and adjust your plan as needed. By avoiding common personal finance mistakes and implementing strategies for success, you can achieve financial freedom and peace of mind. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to FinWizard YouTube channel.